Yo, what's up, guys? My name is Ryan Wiggins Films, and today is another day of 5 minutes with Ryan. Today, we're going to talk about wedding filming. So, a couple months ago, I just did a wedding film, and it was so much fun. The people were amazing, the bride, the groom, their families, everything was just a great time. And I absolutely loved it so much. But there are some things that you should know as a wedding filmmaker that you need to, keep track of because they'll come back to get you later down the road. Number one, holding your camera. So my whole rig is roughly about, probably about 15 pounds, right? 15 pounds. The reason being it's so heavy is because I have my Sony FX30, I have my monitor, V-mount battery, I have the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 on the side. I can show you, it's going to be like right here. This is the setup. So basically, like, it's very heavy, and wedding days are about 12 to 13 hours long. And the one thing that I failed to do was taking breaks. So I was filming the entire time, 13 hours of just, filming this, filming that. I never really gave my hands a break, and I was handheld the entire time because that's what the client wanted. They wanted a more like unique, like, I don't know how to describe it, but it's like not so smooth. It's more like jittery and all that stuff. So, anyways, so I'm handheld the entire time, and the one thing that I didn't do was take breaks, and my hands actually, like, at the end of the day, I couldn't grip. So like I would try to like squeeze, and I had no grip strength. So I tried to pull the SD card out of my computer, and I literally couldn't do it. I had to like grab it like this to like pull it out because I had no grip strength. So the one thing I would recommend is if you're gonna do shooting any films, wedding films, or any long films days, handheld, make sure you take breaks. Number two, the one thing I didn't like realize, because I've never like really been to weddings before, is that there's so much going on. Like, as a guest, you just like go there, go to the ceremony, go to the party, whatever. But as like in the wedding, like, there's so much. There's the groom getting ready, the bride getting ready, the groomsmen, bridesmaids, everyone gets ready, right? And then there's pictures and all that stuff, and then there's like the traveling from the hotel to the ceremony, then there's the ceremony, and then there's like seven different things that happen after that. And I was not like aware of like all that stuff, and so I didn't plan like properly with like what I wore. So like I wore like boat shoes and like some khakis and a nice shirt. I will never do that again. Wear comfortable shoes. I I can't stress this enough because what the problem is that you're in these shoes for 12 hours, like moving constantly, go, 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 go. And if you're not having comfortable shoes, you're going to regret it. So get you a pair of Hokas or a pair of like nice Nikes or something, but do not wear the boat shoes. Those are not good. The next thing, number three. This one is it's more on like the back end, right? So you have your film day, and you have all your film and stuff. And once you have your film day, then you have, the editing afterwards. And so what comes after that is like so much video and like how to like layer it out. The one thing I'd recommend is to timestamp every single time. Every video, every camera you use, make sure you timestamp because then you can line it up better, especially with like the DJI microphone sets. Because a lot of the time I'm doing internal recording because the recording on the actual like stuff wasn't good. So internal recording has that time stamped, matched up with my camera, matched up with my DJI Osmo. It might be a couple seconds off because like you can't press start on both of them at the exact same time unless you're like good at that. I obviously am not, but having it timestamped like that is so much easier because you can go back in editing with like Final Cut or like DaVinci, CapCut. I mean, CapCut's a great option; it's free, um, and it's already laid out. All you do is literally drag and drop, boom. The whole wedding day is time stamped out completely. So I hope these three options, these three helpful tips helped you. And, if they helped you at all, my name is Ryan Wiggins Films. I make films and other videography things. Make sure you hit subscribe, hit the notification bell for all of my videos I'm be posting in the next couple of months, and like and comment down below what kind of camera you use. Do you use a Sony? Do you use a Nikon, Canon? What's your camera? If you use an iPhone, cool. I started with an iPhone too. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great day and enjoy the week. Peace out.